Welcome back to Classy Bonsai. Today we're going to build a new bonsai bench. I cleared out this whole area behind me here. It had some really crappy shelves. I'll show you those. We're going to replace it with some cinder blocks and some boards, just a basic bonsai bench. Let's check it out. So these are the shelves we had in there. Some boards like this. These old pallet shelves that are rotten. They were in this area over here. There's the pond. They were in this area. I cleaned it out. And as you can see from the cinder blocks and the wheelbarrow with cinder blocks, there's 20 something more in my truck. I'm going to wheel over here, start stacking them, and we'll figure it out. Here's the pattern I think I'm going to go with. These ones here I turned sideways so I could run 2x4s through there and have some extra little storage shelves if I want, or some kind of boards through there. The top one the same way. I'm curious when I'm going to be able to reach the top, so on the bottom step down here I may have to make a support in the middle so that I can stand on the bottom step. But this is just a dry run. I have to take them all apart and I have to put liquid nail on them, so I might film that. Although I can't play right this minute, buddy. Got them both built. Liquid nail holding them up. Gonna throw a few boards on for shelves. Figure out if that's what I'm gonna use. And I need to buy some new boards. Here it is. These boards are temporary, and they might be up all year this year or until I get some cedar slabs. I'd like some live edge slabs to put on here. But this is it. It's all done. Let's load it up with some trees. Alright, well, thanks for watching. That's a pretty basic bonsai bench build, cinder blocks and some wood I had laying around. Eventually I hope to get some nice red cedar logs for it, some live edge slabs, and when I do, I'll update you guys and show you what it looks like. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and like and subscribe if you want to. If you don't, that's cool too.